Hey YouTube, it's Misia from J Rose Collection, and today we are delivering a vending machine. We have a new business. Well, it's not new, but it's new to y'all, but it's called Black Box Vending. As you can see, me and my honey here got our shirts on. As you can see, we are on our way to Wallace, North Carolina, to a cabinet factory. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna show y'all some footage of our business. Hey y'all, so we're back. We're in Wallace, North Carolina, and now we're about to fill up the machine. We already got it delivered, sitting nice and pretty. I'm excited. So this is the warehouse that we're in. It's a cabinet factory. Again, we're in Wallace, North Carolina. Black Box Vending is the name of our business. If you're a business that would like a free vending machine in exchange of your location, feel free to hit us up. Everything is linked to the video, so you can just reach out to us if you're interested in doing business with us. So what we got today? I'll show y'all a little bit of what we got. Yeah, we can't load it. See that right there? Free vending machines. Make sure y'all hit us up at that number 301-922-7344, and you can also contact us at our website at bboxvending.com. So we stacked. We got a lot of stuff. All right, y'all. So I will show y'all the final results after we get